So with all the focus on whether or not Star Philly, she's a manita, is all right and okay after the incident at the Diamond Mile, when will she race again and blah, blah, blah. But me want to talk about the race itself, and specifically the antics of winning jockey Robert Aladdin aboard Will in Charge. Everybody coming down on Aladdin, saying unprofessional, and him nearly giving the man them race, and this kind of thing will not be tolerated and Ray and Tay. All right, yes, but only so boring. For sure the trainer and the owner and the punters who set the money would have been a little bit nervous. But all is well that ends well. The jockey entertained the crowd and him win the race. And I have no problem with a little style and a little flair. This reminds me of when Usain Bolt started showboating on the running track. It seems so the boring people them start said this and start said that. You know how much money Usain Bolt make after that same showboating? Who is to tell that Robert Aladdin can't become the Usain Bolt of horse racing and market himself as the brilliant showboating jockey from Jamaica? All him have to do is to make sure him cover the field like Bolt before him start the antics. Yeah, my jockey? Yeah, you have to watch the ride, yes, but go on do your thing. Yes, do your thing with style and flair. Don't watch the boring people there. New name for your jockey, new name. Robert Bolt Aladdin. Yes. See one thing, what's the other thing, jockey? See your thing. Hold up, big daddy cool. Big daddy cool.